Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Capital.com account to MetaTrader 5 step by step. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and open your MT5 app on your device. Then from here, you want to click on the hamburger icon at the upper left corner of the screen. From here, you want to choose Manage Account. Then you want to tap on the plus icon at the top. From here, just simply search for Capital.com. So let's do that. And from here, you'll see a list of different capital.com servers for regions like UK, Australia, and others. So what you want to do is you want to choose the one that matches your account. So for example, let's choose UK. From here, you want to select the server type. You can log into your existing account as well. So you want to choose demo if you're practicing or live if you're trading with real funds. Then enter your credentials, your capital.com account username and password. You can also choose to save your password for easier access later. And then after filling in your details, just go ahead and click login or done at the bottom, then tap sign in. And this will connect you automatically to your capital.com account to MT5, giving you full access to trade. And that's it. So if this helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick trading guides. Have a good one.